Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on setting KPIs in ClickUp. Tracking KPIs helps monitor team performance and project progress. So first you will go to your ClickUp, and once you're here, you will go to your space, and next is you will look for dashboard. So it should be right here. So just search for it if you cannot find it. So next is you will just have to click dashboard once you find it, and then um you will either start from scratch or you will choose from this template. So let's say I would want project management, so uh I'll just go ahead and click that. So just click create, and once you're here you will click this icon right here, which is add card, and then you will go ahead and look for either goal or chart. So let's say I will search for chart, and then I can just choose from these options. So by the way, some of these are um you will have to unlock some of this by purchasing a plan first. So you do make sure that you do have the full version of the app so that you will be able to access all of this. So yeah, for example, I would want workload by status. So you will define your KPI metrics. For example, task completed, the revenue, the response time, and all that stuff. So you will just have to assign your target values. You will select tasks, projects to track, and all that stuffs. And yeah, you will monitor progress visually in the dashboards like this. So yeah, that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.